Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now surprisingly I've been on this channel for a while now and I still haven't done a risotto recipe. So today I'm going to change all that. I am doing an Nduja Risotto. If you don't know what Nduja is, it's a spicy, spreadable Italian sausage. And it is quite spicy, but it's absolutely delicious. So we'll get on. Heat a pan up and put in a good tablespoon and a half of good quality extra virgin olive oil. When it gets hot enough, on a medium heat, put in two large shallots, finely chopped. Or you don't have shallots, you could use half a medium onion. And then add a bit of salt and of course a bit of ground black pepper. Stir them around, let it sweat in. I'll then add one finely chopped clove of garlic. Again, let the garlic cook in. Before adding 200 grams of risotto rice. In this case it's carniroli rice. You could use arborio instead. Any short grained rice will do. Please don't use long grain rice, or for God's sake don't use basmati because it just won't work. Stir that rice around, let it soak up all those lovely flavours from the shallots, the garlic and the olive oil. When it's all soaked up, I add 200 millilitres of dry white wine, especially Italian white wine. It has to be. No, it doesn't have to be, but if you want to keep things authentic, dry white Italian wine. Again, let that rice soak up all that wonderful flavour of that wine. The rice is like a flavour sponge, it just soaks up all the flavour. When it's soaked up all the wine, I start adding chicken stock. I have a litre of chicken stock here, but I won't use all of it. We just add a small amount at a time and stir everything around, let that rice soak up the stock, and then we add some more. Now you can tell when it's drying up because you get little steam holes as I'm pointing out here. As you can see, it's soaked up what I've poured in so far. So we just need to put in a little bit more each time until the rice is around about 90–95% cooked. Just a little at a time. Keep it stirring, and the stirring releases all of the starch from the rice, which helps give it that creamy texture at the end of the dish. I then add 120 grams of the famous Nduja sausage. As you can see, it's quite soft and it will melt down into the risotto. Just keep working it and it will mix in fairly easily. As you can see. Now the Nduja is quite spicy. It is quite hot. So I'm going to add an extra ingredient just to calm it all down and add some extra creaminess to the dish. So here I have half a bowl of burrata cheese. If you don't know what burrata is, it's a little bit like mozzarella on the outside, but inside is very creamy. I think it has cream added to it. It's a lot more flavour than mozzarella. It's a lot more calorific, I have to say. But who cares? This is comfort food. mix it all in. And then I add a good handful of Parmesan cheese towards the end. And that's the end of the dish. If you did like this video, please consider subscribing. That will make all the difference to me. And hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. Thanks for watching, friends. Peace and love. Take care. Bye for now.